Hi, today I'm going to be making you a grasshopper. So it's a drink served up. So I'm gonna go ahead and ice my martini glass here, set it off to the side while I build my cocktail. It's got three main ingredients. We've got green crème de menthe, white crème de cacao, and a little bit of heavy cream. We're gonna go 1 ounce of the white crème de cacao, 1 ounce of the green crème de menthe, and careful with that one, it can stain. We're gonna go 1.5 ounces of our heavy cream. Now, it's only about every 5 years you might be making more than one of these in one night when we get our fun little grasshopper swarms. But it's a classic cocktail, and a lot of places will have different variations on it. You can do it with vodka, which is gonna be like a Thin Mint cookie. I've even seen this done with a little bit of Fernet. I can give that a good shake here. Get our glass ready. Look at the color on that. All right, and I'm gonna garnish this with a few little chocolate shavings. Enjoy. Thanks for hanging out with us here at LV Bartenders. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss future cocktails, tips, and industry insights. Until next time, drink smart, stay creative, and we'll see you behind the bar.